Welcome to LEGO Education Training, Early Simple Machines. In this video, you will learn how to use the Early Simple Machines set with preschool children. Section 1. Introduction of Materials, Early Simple Machines. Each Early Simple Machines set includes LEGO Duplo pieces, some plastic attachments, and 8 activity cards. You will also find a teacher's guide. The teacher's guide contains a CD inside the front pocket. Punch out the plastic pieces. Throw away the scraps. The teacher's guide provides an introduction to the set and the curriculum. The curriculum is divided into activities and problem-solving activities. The teacher's guide also contains a glossary and a LEGO element survey. The CD opening screen shows the areas that you can use: Introduction, Curriculum, Activities, Problem-solving activities, Glossary, LEGO element survey, and Help. The CD contains the same information as the printed teacher's guide. Section 2. 4 C's. All LEGO education products use the 4C philosophy to help students learn. The 4 C's are Connect, Construct, Contemplate, and Continue. Connect. In the Connect phase, the teacher creates a connection between the student and the content being covered. This connection could include a story, observations of the world around the student, or a question for the student to think about. Construct. In the Construct phase, the student uses LEGO bricks to create a project. Students think with their hands. They can solve problems by using the bricks to answer a question, create a solution, copy a pattern, or follow exact building instructions. Contemplate. Students think about the process of creating their solutions. They think about what they have created with their hands using LEGO bricks and then talk with others about it. Continue. Teachers can ask students to apply the same skills and do another construction. They can dig deeper into the curriculum, or they can review the concepts that were used. When using any LEGO product, teachers should ensure they follow the 4 C's: Connect, Construct, Contemplate, and Continue. This enables students to connect to the curriculum, construct models, thus engaging multiple intelligences and strategies for learning, contemplate what they have accomplished, including time for reflection before engaging in dialogue, and finally, continue to explore other possibilities. Section 3. Teacher's Guide. Pages 7, 8, and 9 in the Teacher's Guide provide information on curriculum contents. Students can practice science, design and technology, and mathematics skills through the activities for Early Simple Machines. The key science and design and technology concepts covered in the 8 activities are listed on page 8. A learning grid for science and technology is shown on page 9. All 12 activities are correlated on this page. Now let's look at an activity in detail. The pinwheel activity begins on page 10. There are 4 areas of science addressed: energy, forces, friction, and rotation. As you can see, there are also 4 areas of design and technology addressed as well. There are 5 suggested vocabulary words, and finally, there is a section that shows what other materials are required to complete the activity. Page 11 has the connection to the students, a story, and a picture that you can use to get the students thinking. A full-page copy of the picture is shown on the back of page 16. Page 12 shows what is needed for the construct phase, building card number 1. Page 12 also gives some tips and tricks so your students can be successful in creating and using the pinwheel. Page 13 explains how to complete the contemplate phase. It also shows you the worksheet the student should use. The worksheet master is located on page 15. Our goal is for students to think and problem solve. Therefore, you will find questions to ask students not only in the contemplate phase, but also in the continue phase. During the continue phase, students are challenged to create new shapes for the pinwheel wings. The worksheet is shown on page 14, and the worksheet master is found on page 16. Each activity is divided into the 4 phases, or 4 C's: connect, construct, contemplate, and continue. When students have completed all 4 phases, they are ready to move forward to a new activity. The problem-solving activities are more open-ended. They do not have worksheets and do not have instructions for a direct build. They enable students to use what they have learned to create new models. Let's look at the activity Hot Day beginning on page 69. A connection is made to the students through a very short story and a picture. The full page picture is located on the back of page 71. The students are asked to create a fan that can stand on its own, uses gears or pulleys to make the strongest breeze possible, and can be turned by hand. Page 70 shows 2 building cards that you can give students to help them solve the problem: pinwheel and spinning top. Page 70 also contains some other materials that you can give to the students, as well as some questions that you can ask to get students thinking about their creations. Students do not have to build something that looks like the model shown. At the bottom of page 70 is an extra challenge that you can give to students who are ready or who finish early. Section 4. Summary. While working with early simple machines, students can practice science, design and technology, and math skills. By answering questions, students can problem solve and practice oral language skills. Asking students questions, letting them think, and allowing them to try an answer rather than giving them the correct piece will help them learn how to solve problems. Students learn from their trials while they create their own connections for future use.